Welcome to this introduction to cryptocurrency regulation. The explosion in the popularity of cryptocurrency investments, particularly over the past year, has led to financial regulators around the world wondering how to deal with cryptocurrencies. When Bitcoin was launched, part of its core philosophy was that its decentralized blockchain technology meant that governments, central banks, financial institutions, and other central authorities were not necessary for it to operate smoothly. The blockchain software Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies run on means ownership rights and transactions are fully automated in a secure way. The privacy of cryptocurrency users is also protected, and they can, to a varying extent, remain anonymous should they wish. However, this latter quality of cryptocurrencies has raised fears cryptocurrencies help facilitate criminal activity and money laundering. As cryptocurrencies become more popular and edge into mainstream finance, governments and financial regulators are frantically trying to come up with a system that deals with them. This, the pro-regulation argument goes, is necessary to protect people from possible scams and price crashes if they have invested more than they can afford, as well as to prevent money laundering. Another danger is that because cryptocurrency exchanges are unregulated, client funds are not protected if they are hacked, which has happened several times. Regulators in some countries are taking the approach of limiting or trying to stop the use of and investment in cryptocurrencies. In 2017 and 2018, China and Korea began trying to impose bans to prohibit participation in ICOs, while countries like Gibraltar implemented regulatory framework which were more favourable for ICOs and cryptocurrency projects. Other regulators, though, are taking a different approach and coming up with regulatory frameworks that are proactive in making the industry safer for consumers without trying to shut it down or limit it. The Gibraltar Financial Services Commission in 2018 began to introduce laws for companies using blockchain to transmit or store cash and assets belonging to others that are very close to the way banks are authorised. Switzerland has also stated it wants to promote itself as a location for ICOs and has set up a working group of lawmakers and regulators to create a regulatory framework that has the aim of being both liberal and protecting individuals.